everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live tonight. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, the South African National Defence Force has been deployed to Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal following the ongoing looting and violence in many parts of this country. Guys, we've seen SAPS literally battling to control the so-called hashtag Free Jacob Zuma. People of this country requested government to intervene and deploy South African National Defence Force members to assist the outnumbered police. SANDF released a statement this morning to confirm the deployment to Gauteng and KZN. The duration and numbers of deployment soldiers will be determined based on the assessment of the situation on the ground by the relevant law enforcement agencies. Furthermore, it was also emphasized that SANDF deployment objectives is to provide safety and a safe working environment for SAPS members and other law enforcement agencies while they carry their constitutional mandated duties. So soldiers, guys, are trying by all means not to take a lead but to follow in SAPS steps, who are constitutional mandated in this kind of situations. As you can all recall that during level 5 lockdown last year when SANDF was deployed, a lot of cases and death was or were reported against them, as much as the community was calling them to intervene, but some people were very skeptical about them being involved. Guys, I do hope this will ease this bad situation we've been seeing around Gauteng and KZN. Based on everything that have been happening around our country, what is your feeling about SANDF deployment? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. In that note, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.